It's common knowledge that debt can be a burden. But what many people don't realize is that not all debt is created equal. In fact, there's such a thing as good debt. Knowing the difference between good and bad debt is crucial to making sound financial decisions and keeping your finances healthy. What is good debt? Good debt is defined as borrowing money to invest in something that will generate income or appreciate in value over time. For example, taking out a mortgage to buy a home is considered good debt because your home is likely to increase in value over time. Taking out a loan to finance your education is also considered good debt because your degree should help you earn more money over the course of your career. In short, good debt is an investment that will pay off in the future. What is bad debt? Bad debt, on the other hand, is defined as borrowing money to finance something that will lose value over time. For example, using a credit card to finance a vacation or take out dinner is considered bad debt because you're paying interest on something that isn't going to generate any income or appreciate in value. Another example of bad debt is using a car loan to finance a vehicle that depreciates quickly, like a luxury car or sports car. In general, any type of borrowing that doesn't represent an investment isn't worth taking on. Before I tell you about some debts that can be both good and bad, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Can some debts be good for some people and bad for others? While some types of debt are always bad, such as high-interest credit card debt, other types of debt can be good or bad depending on the individual's circumstances. For example, borrowing to pay off other debt can be a good way to get out of a difficult financial situation if the new loan has a lower interest rate. However, this can also be a risky move if the borrower isn't able to make the new payments and ends up defaulting on both loans. Borrowing to invest can also be a good or bad decision depending on the market conditions. If the investment pays off, the borrower can end up making a profit. However, if the investment declines in value, the borrower will end up with even more debt. As a result, it's important to carefully consider all options before taking on any new debt. When it comes to good debt versus bad debt, it's important to remember that not all debt is created equal. Good debt can help you build wealth over time, while bad debt can only drain your finances. Before taking on any type of loan, be sure to ask yourself whether or not it's really worth it in the long run. Your future self will thank you. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.